Hi guys, welcome back to my Myankaranation YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to make Ankara shoulder bag. And these are the materials I'll be using: Ankara fabric, the zipper, scissors, bridal satin. This is interfacing, and we'll be using taper. So guys, for this bag, get a round shape object that you use to measure this circle out. The measurement I have here is 5 3/4. That's what I have here, and I have 2 of these. So the next thing you want to do is to make a mark at one point, and you are going to measure this round, starting from that mark. So you take your paper round, so this is 18.5 inches. That is what I will be cutting out. So guys, I'd already cut out this Ankara fabric. This is 18.5 inches. That's the measurement I measured out from the circle by 10 inches. 18.5 by 10 inches. Now we are going to fix the handle of this bag. So from this point, measure 2 inches, and from this point you measure 2.5 inches. So from this point, 2 inches, and from this point 2.5 inches. You do the same measurements for this handle for the other side of the bag. Then this is the handle. This is bridal satin, and I've already ironed interfacing on it. So let's measure it. So this is 15 inches. 15 inches by 3.5 inches. So what I did was just to fold. I folded on each other. You go to your machine and run a straight stitch, and you're also going to do the same for this other handle. After stitching the handle, you want to put it on that mark for the handle. Fold it a little, and you stitch like a square. You stitch this other side, and you're also going to stitch this other handle. So guys, I have stitched the both handles. I ironed interfacing on this Ankara fabric, so you can see. So when that is done, the next thing you want to do is to fix your zipper on your bag. So you're going to place your zip, you stitch it, then when you open it, you top stitch on it. So guys, I have stitched the zip, and I also top stitch on it. So you fix the other side of the zip, you're going to stitch, and you will open your zip into two and top stitch. So when you stitch your zip, you open it and top stitch on it. So guys, I have stitched the other side of the bag and I also top stitch on it. So now it's time to fix the side of the bag. So guys, cut off your excess zipper that is left and you're going to fix the side of the bag. This side of the bag had already iron interfacing on it. So you're going to fix this here and you're also going to fix this other side here. So guys, after stitching the side of the bag, we use bias tape to cover your stitches and you're basically done with this bag. Let's turn inside out. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please like this video, share it to your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.